Hey, I'm standing here now with Scott Whitaker, who you've seen on the show before, as Executive Director of CCA South Carolina. And Scott, I know that Fishing for Miracles tournament means a lot to CCA in South Carolina, right?
Absolutely, Inglis. Thanks always to Hutch and Tom with Key West Boats. You know, this is the Key West Boats Fishing for Miracles King Mackerel Tournament, the largest king mackerel tournament in the state of South Carolina. Continues to hold that reputation, and without those guys, this tournament would not be what it is. So we really appreciate everything they do for this tournament and for CCA. Both Hutch and Tom are huge supporters of the organization and marine conservation. Great company, great guys.
Right. Now, speaking about CCA, what's something big that everybody needs to be paying attention to with the CCA right now?
I'm glad you asked, actually. There is a movement afoot, and it's already been done, passed by the General Assembly last session. Coming up on the November ballot, folks, you can go to the CCA website and check this out. There will be a referendum where you, the people of of South Carolina, of course CCA members too, but the citizens of South Carolina will have the opportunity to make it part of South Carolina's amendment forever, the right to hunt and fish. If you want to see the exact language for that, go to the CCA South Carolina website. You'll be able to see how it will actually look on the ballot in November. In English, I can't talk enough about how important that is. There's as every fisherman that knows that watch your show, and those that maybe haven't seen it yet, our recreational fisheries are under a lot of pressure right now from the legislative end of things, and this will go a long way to helping the recreational community in South Carolina, passing on our traditions, big part of South Carolina's heritage. But once again, you can go to the CCA South Carolina website. I think there's a link off your website to it as well. But I would encourage folks to go check on that, because it's going to be on the ballot there for everybody to vote and make it a permanent part of our Constitution.
Guys, you heard that right here from Executive Director Scott Whitaker. Make sure you pay attention to what's going on that CCA website.